Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to be talking about the very unfortunate story where a young lady, right, little girl as far as I'm concerned, 15-year-old Tony and Reed lost her life in some circumstances, and I have to talk about it. I have to talk about it because something don't look right, so something not add up to me. And basically, kid in our house with our man, 25-year-old O'Shane Spence, OC private. Now, just in case you're wondering, this is not private as in the JDF private. This youth was at 87. This youth was a gunman. Let me repeat. Tell me what wrong I test. A 25-year-old man and his 15-year-old girlfriend who were living together dead in our house. When you see the problem there, sir, we will talk about it. Before we go any further, I want to send a Patreon birthday shout out to none other than Janet. Not Janet, you know. Janet. I know Janet. Look like your family them British because we know what kind of boasty spelling this. Look like your family couldn't bother with the A. But they must say the A too regular because we know enough Janet, but we have a Janet, so like look like some British thing, right? So Janet, right? You don't know, this will come straight from your hubby Cedric, right? So big up yourself. You must let me know that this year will be your 30th anniversary. So you don't know that already. Huge milestone. Especially at them day and age. So big up on yourself. Hope you have a great time, right? Live long and prosper. Make a move into the video. We're supposed to have to tell you what the problem is. So I didn't realize 15-year-old live with 25-year-old now. Or maybe I'm a dinosaur. Maybe I'm outdated. Maybe I'm old-fashioned. 15-year-old live with who? Where? Which part? Let me get the video. One, by the way, she didn't go out. Of course, there's no nice way to die, but trust me, them really mash her up. Them really mash up the little girl. The whole her edge side, I posted the video on Patreon. I don't know what kind of grievance. Remember how 87s look on it. For you there with him, right? And remember, we don't know nothing, we don't know what kind of activity she involved in him. But the way the man them deal with she, come like they make up their mindset, the two of them, man. I get enough time, them just kill the kerosene because them did it. But them really focus all the anger on the 87. You can't just be a lasser. The man them use lass in a little girl head. Extremely unfortunate circumstances, but this is the ugly reality of badness. This is the ugly reality of sleeping with 87s, literally. Because them not the host probably sleep, never even expect it. 15 years old. 87 female, round fly right through, mash up the pan ground, she up on bed. But now stop saying 15 years old. Now the first question I ask, which part can I need to hear from my parent now, but then luckily, I say, we gonna post one video with the father. But we'll go through it. Because me the father talk, and let me just say this, of course, I can imagine he's suffering a great loss. Very unfortunate, as me say, right? Whether the Pickney want bother or not, we don't want the Pickney goat, so we don't want a little girl a goat, so right? But we have to get to the bottom of these things because we can't just say, oh well, it's sad and move on. No, we have to address the real issues, and since most people are going to just say, oh, it's rough and it's tough and boy, I say go. Unfortunately, I cannot do that. You have to dig a little deeper. Because them things they make no sense to me and them frustrate me. So make you hear what the father said. Check this out.
My name is Albert Reed, father of Tony and Reed. Yes. I've been looking for Tony and she run away from last year. Don't remember the time, but she run away. And we reported to the police many times. Nobody can see it. Nobody don't want no identity. Nobody can see it.
Alright, so she go missing. At first, I think to myself, alright, she go missing. Right. Because as soon as me heard the word missing, I was like, alright, she go missing and then this something. Run off with boyfriend. But then I start listen more. I want you to listen closely to what the man is saying. I don't know if you read between the lines. Listen closely, not hear. Me I talk about it, listen.
So this morning me there run out my house, somebody called me and say them hear that Tony and Private dead. So me I say Tony and they say yes. Me drive out and me come on. Even myself, I have to look on him good to identify say I'm my daughter. Because he fool many people, because he change his identity, he brown out, he bleach out and he get slim. Daughter, go find her dead.
I don't know how old she is.
She's 15. 15. Next month he might come in at 16 years old.
And what you heard happened? What you heard took place around here this morning?
Well, I just hear that them say they hear gunshot and then go check and the girlfriend go check and find say I'm baby father and people call out and ball out. And it's so painful, it hurt. If you really know say my daughter when me they call for many weeks, many months me they beg him to come home and he not come home. Last time I talked to him before Christmas and he said, Daddy, me I come home Christmas. Me I come look for you now. Me I come look for you all now. And me see one night girl my daddy. He said, me come home. I said to her, I said, Tony, and me tell you honest truth, I come home. You sit down and me a reason. I said, I come home. I realize what you do, Tony, and you can't stop me. So only thing I can do, I guide you. So come around me, and if I go look for your boyfriend, make me know where they go. That means if anything happen to you, I can show up. Say, I just say you went there. I just don't want you run up and down, and I know certain things happen to you, because you're young. You know, come back home. And he said, Daddy, me I come look for you.
I'm pardon me if I'm a bit confused. She missing. When people go missing, I mean, say you can't see them and you can't hear from them. That's my interpretation of missing. I don't know what missing means now. But when him say, he might talk to her and I call her and I beg her to come home and she now come home. Once again, as me say, sir, very unfortunate you lose a daughter, but I wish a Pickney would. I wish a Pickney would left my yard, go a man yard, and me I tell you say, if you come home, I wish a Pickney would. I wish a 15-year-old girl would. When we really just hear a while ago, I tell her, I say, if you come home and she... You know what, let me finish this. Let me finish what the man I say, because right now, I'm charged up and I'm leaving reach halfway through the video. Let me finish it, play with the man I say.
I say, alright, Tony, and come home. And say, this morning, I go find her. Right, yes, sir. Right, yes, sir. So I pass my daughter for weeks and months and I realize my daughter, I don't see my daughter then. And he see me and I. And in the right hand foot. And I feel so, I don't know me head for my foot right now.
So the young man, is he somebody you're familiar with, the young man?
Yeah man, he have family around here. He have family around here. He have uncle, he have brother, cousin. Yeah, he don't have no father, he don't have no mother. But he live here. You understand? Yeah. I even tell my daughter one long time, I say I'm involved with him. I say, my daughter, listen to me. Me say youth in the ranks. Don't involve with him. Stay here. You see me I say? Yeah, because I hear. They say, you see me out, so I go to school, and the man youth turn up and talk. I say, you're not supposed to see him on the road and talk to no man. School, me send you. You know see it? And the daughter run me and end up right there, so with the same youth I want him about. You understand? So, I tell my boss.
Which school she used to attend?
St. James High.
Okay. How old she is?
15. Just 15. Little baby. Yeah, the baby. Send her to school. Oh my God, I tell you. My mother run left me. 3 of them with me. 3 of them. He left it for me. She went to go to basic school and his second brother. I got basic school. I come 4 years, send her to school for months till my mother helped me. Her mother gone left me. I tell her big man, it hurt me. You know, say I call my daughter here, send my school. Me, a man, take up that responsibility there. I'm going to find my daughter in a bed, dead, with man where me talk to him about. And he not ready for money because I'm just 15. I tell him, you know, I say, where I run down my daughter. Idiot if you. Just wait on time. Time the things. You know see it? Just wait, man.
I wish a Pickney would. Which Pickney? Which 15-year-old girl? Man. We come from my seed bag. Can you tell me, say, Daddy, you come look for you now, Christmas. Like say, hold on. How are we really going to jam rock? 15-year-old are going to look for live with man. And they go tell me, say, Daddy, you are come look for me Christmas time. Like say, like you're some kind of big woman where, like your auntie, your granny, I say, me I come look for you, so you must see. Man, I wish I Pickney would. I don't judge nobody. I don't know how to feel anything. I don't know how phone system work. I don't know how phone homes work. But I say, I wish a Pickney wood. When I hear them things there, and because I've spoken to various people in the PIA, they must say, boy, that's rough on him. As I said, very unfortunate, so him lose him daughter, but I wish a 15-year-old girl, for me, 50% of the reason why she did on this earth, I go tell me, say, I go left my yard, and then I go tell me, say, she soon come, and then go call me and tell me, say, she'll come Christmas, and I wish a Pickney would. I don't know what I go on in Jamaica. Brother, as me say, I don't feel like, say, I don't understand, say, I go through pain and hurt, but I wish a Pickney make me negotiate with them. Even just listening to this, my blood pressure gone through the roof. As this video done, I have to go probably show the doctor or something. I don't know what I just hear a while ago. This sound like a couple parts missing to me. Jamaica too small for that. Jamaica too small for she then in a community close by, and you walk past and she see her and hide you. She was living comfortably in her man yard. Let me tell you how things work in a bad man place. You like private? I tell you, say, enough of the 87 them want to claim so on the rate. Enough of them are so empty. Enough of them live with underage girl, and nobody in the community can stand. Enough of them tell you, say, what? Am I a girl? What you want to do? Am I a girl? And you say, brother, show how much? That no matter. Am I a girl that you chat too much? Matter of fact, people in the community will tell you, say, a female girl that mind the business. Enough of the residents in the community know say the man them in there with 13, 14, 15-year-old and not say nothing. I hope you understand, so this is just not making sense to me. So, if everything sounds smooth and normal to you, that's fine. But so this not sound right to me. This child was never missing. She got live with her man. So initially you might not see her, because she might take what I said, but the missing. See, when we start here missing, I think, oh, she run me, and then from one side of the island, they on the next side of the island, and nobody know what she did, and nobody can't talk to her. But this girl was negotiating. This girl was saying, I soon come, I not bother come, I feel to come, I don't want to come. Extraordinary. It just not, the story now. This is probably one of the most speeches you've heard me in a video. Because in my mind, I try to process when I hear and I try to translate it, and the two of them now match up. I walk past daughter all this time and she hide you. I don't understand what I go on. Brother, I'm very sorry for your loss, but I don't understand what you said to me, brother. This woman negotiating with Pickney and it's 15, and this is, if she's 15 now, she probably live with you when she's 14. And them money on the rating, you like private. Private a bad man, private a gunman. The reality is, in enough of them situations, the parents them know and don't want to step to the gunman. Them know, say, them daughter over there, so. I tell you what happened in enough of these circumstances. Parents them know say daughter live with a gunman and don't want to step to him because he's a gunman. Private was at 87. But I tell you right now, people at Jamaica, I don't care if he's a private, I don't care if he's a corporal, I don't care if he's a sergeant, I don't care if he's a brigadier general. 25-year-old man lie down on a bed and live with 15-year-old. And me, as me say, this don't make any sense to me. I am flabbergasted. I think that's the best word me can draw for. That's the fanciest word me can draw for, flabbergasted. And you know it's very weird, right? I'm short and worried, but me really not understanding my area. So this now make no sense to me. So hopefully, right, when you get to Agwan, hopefully, this process not phone brain, but me don't know what me just hear a while ago. Me don't know what me just hear a while ago. Something other person. But, as me say, very unfortunate story. Whatever the case may be, we still don't want to, we don't want to read one of 15-year-old girl like that, especially in them circumstances or the way them head chop out. But if we don't address these issues and take them on head on, then they might continue to happen and slide under the radar. But Jamaica is ugly. This is ugly Jamaica. Hope him can find some comfort as him same other kids. Hopefully he can be strong for them. But I don't know what to say. You know what to say. Jamaica is a serious place. We're living in spooky times. This little girl that come out, but them, I don't understand. I'm lost for words. I'm adult enough to admit that this video stunned me completely. Young girls of Jamaica, young ladies, who wanna know woman. But know say when the body might start to make little changes, right? And there's something on the chest might start to grow a little, and they might start to grow here someplace, and they start to feel like so now woman. There's a reason why your parents them show you certain things. When your parents them to do this, are because them don't want you end up in a certain situation. It might sound like say them a fight against you and them a hold you down and them don't want you to have fun. But this is how it can end up. Look at girls of Jamaica. They make the artist telling about gunman alone make you drop panty and a bad man alone and the memes and the jokes and it's all fun and games. Nothing no fun and games but doing it bad man. This is how it end up. This is how it can end up. Inside chop out. 15 years old. Sooner or later, somebody have to tell these little girls the reality of the world. The same way I tell the 87 them, I tell the little boy them how the world really work for badness. Check the Adjis video, check the Doggy video, and then if you tell the little girl them, say kerosene life and a joke thing. A child must stay in the place of a child. In the news, when I always see girls at a certain age, especially when they reach teenagers, missing. Some of them missing in the context of, for example, Jasmine Dean, rest in peace, right? Some of them missing in that context, a man take them and then take them life, right? And the body not find them again. But enough of the one them when you see missing, I call them there in a private yard. Them there in a predator's yard, lie down in them bed. And some of them little girls, them think them a woman. But them also need guidance. We can't say Pickney bad, but we have to look on the homes them too. That's the reality. So something right, something not add up. It's not a good look. Very unfortunate. Boy, I know. This video catch me off guard more than one thing when I hear someone triple murder go on, but them things that blow my brain completely. Serious times, you know. Serious times. Extraordinary stuff. But do you notice? The man said the mother run away and they telling us that these homes, there's always some dysfunction there. There's always some dysfunction there. That little girl was in a dysfunctional home. But I don't know, when you see them story, check the home. Something wrong. The man telling us that. Right. So just like how, watch this before we finish the video. Just like how I'm telling all the time, say a mother have a difficult time raising a boy to become a man, is the same way a father would have a difficult time raising a woman or a girl to become a woman. I'm not saying it can't be done. Simple time, man. No, some people pull it off, but there's a reason why you have both. There's a reason why there's a masculine energy and a feminine energy. Your mother shares certain things and your father shares certain things. In time it flip around and the mother have to teach the son this and the father have to teach the daughter that, sometimes some things go left. Something must go left. If you look a girl, you go look on her daddy. Normally girls worship and cherish them daddy until them turn big woman. And look at girls, I go look on them daddy and tell her, say, she now come home to her daddy with miss her and wants to her. You know. Talk to me in the comment section. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.